Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today you will learn negation tools in Arabic. أدوات النفي في العربية. What do I mean by negation tools? For example, in English, to make a sentence negative, you have to use not. In present simple, doesn't or don't. In past simple, didn't. In future, will not or won't. It's the same thing in Arabic. If you want to make a sentence negative in Arabic, you need to use some tools like in English. Let's start with the first tool, لا. لا means not. It comes before present verb and before a noun. It doesn't come before past verb. لا. Let's take example. لا تكتب على الحائط. Here لا is before present verb. لا تكتب على الحائط. Don't write on the wall. Second example. لا مشكلة. لا came before a noun. مشكلة is a noun. لا مشكلة means not a problem or no problem. The second tool is ليس. ليس means not. It comes before nouns only. It doesn't come before verbs. Let's take example. ليس المطر غزيرا. ليس المطر غزيرا. المطر is a noun. The third tool is غير. غير comes before adjectives and nouns. It doesn't come before verbs. Sometimes when you translate something from English to Arabic or Arabic to English, غير can be translated as but. Let's take example. الباب غير مفتوح. Here غير came before adjective. See this example. لا أعبد غير الله. Here غير came before a noun and it translated as but. The other tool is لم. لم means did not. It comes before a past verb. See this example. لم يلد. لم يلد. He didn't born. لن. You can use لن to make your sentence negative in the future. لن means will not or won't. Let's take example. لن أسافر غدا. لن أسافر غدا. I won't travel tomorrow. You can use only present verb after لن. You can't use a noun or adjective or anything else after لن. Also present verb comes after لن. لن plus present verb. It's the grammatical rule. ما comes before present verb or past verb. Let's take example. ما حضر أحد. ما حضر أحد. No one came. later. It's the last negation tool. Means not or it's not. It's very rare to use in Arabic. You can't hear it in spoken Arabic. Arabs don't use it. But you can see it in Quran, the Holy Quran, and in the old books. It's used with time words only. Later comes before these words only. You can't use other nouns or adjective or verbs with later. Only these words. أوان, ساعة, حين, زمن. These words called in Arabic ألفاظ الزمان. Time words. You can say لات أوان، لات ساعة، لات حين، لات زمن. Means it's not time for doing something. Let's take example. The first sentence لات ساعة اللعب. لات ساعة اللعب. It's not time for playing. The second sentence لات وقت الكسل. لات وقت الكسل. It's not time for laziness. Now practice your pronunciation. لا لا ليس ليس غير غير لم لم لن لن ما ما لات لات